Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in the city of Painesville, Ohio, where on New Year's Day 2023 at 3:40 a.m., an Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper observed a white 2009 Honda Civic traveling out of the lane of travel while heading westbound on State Route 2. The trooper eventually activated his emergency lights and pulled the vehicle over on the Richmond Street overpass. Once the car came to a stop, the trooper exited his patrol vehicle and approached the suspect as his investigation begins.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good. Where are you headed to?
Just heading home, driving or dropping off.
Okay. Alright, do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance with you? Alright, the reason I'm stopping you is because you went out of your lane of travel. You went over the fog line, okay? Did you realize you did that? You didn't realize you did that? Okay. Alright, you still live on...
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have the insurance for the vehicle? Who's the owner of the vehicle? Is it you?
My mother.
Your mother? Okay.
I don't think I have the insurance on me.
You don't think you have it? Okay. Alright, is there any reason you weren't wearing your seatbelt when you walked up here?
You took it off. I definitely did.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I always do that.
Alright. Alright, how much you had to drink tonight?
A couple hours ago, I had a few drinks. Yes.
Okay. Alright, because your eyes are bloodshot and everything, and I can smell it on you, okay? Alright, I'm going to have you step out, okay? Car in park?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're going to step back towards my vehicle, okay? I'll drop your wallet.
Yeah, I got it.
You can grab
it.
it. Go ahead. Just throw it in the seat for me.
I'll put it in my back pocket.
That's fine. Alright, we're going to walk up to the front of my vehicle. Just keep your hands out of your pockets for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any weapons on you or anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright, up to the front of my vehicle here. I'm just going to check you and make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay? Is that okay? Alright, turn around for me.
Yes, sir.
Just place your hands up on top of your head for me. Alright, you're not under arrest. I'm just checking you for weapons, okay? You don't have any knives or guns or anything on you? No. Okay.
172, shut down.
Alright, kick your feet out for me. Out of
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to have you lean up against my fender right here for me. Just put your butt right where it says trooper there. Perfect. Alright, I see you're wearing glasses, okay? Do you have any problems with your eyes at all? Any recent eye surgeries or anything like that?
I've worn glasses since I was 2 years old, so
Okay. Alright.
I've always, it's just...
You've always wore glasses?
100%.
Okay, you don't have a lazy eye or...
Left eye is a lazy eye, yes.
Okay, alright. Alright, can you do me a favor? Just take your glasses off and just hook them on your shirt for me?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Can you see my finger and pen here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to follow that with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? I do not want you to move your head side to side. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't look at me. Look at this, okay?
Yes.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, so just follow that till I tell you to stop, okay?
Mm-hmm.
1599, for certified on the RO.
Don't anticipate it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just follow it. Just keep following, okay? Alright?
I'm sorry.
Don't look away from it. Don't anticipate it. Just follow exactly where I'm going, okay?
Yes,
you
sir.
understand it?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Over here.
I see it.
You're not looking at it. I can tell.
I can see it. Look, go over there, ask somebody fingers don't up. I guarantee I can see it.
Okay. Over here.
One finger up.
You're looking right at me.
But I can see it. It's one finger. Like,
I want you to follow this. I don't want you to...
no, you don't understand.
peripheral.
No, I can't. That's like I said. With my left, this is my lazy eye.
Okay.
I can't go. I can see it, but I can't
Okay.
move it. That's my problem with my lazy eye.
Okay.
So if you ask me how many fingers you're holding up, I can see one over there.
Okay. Does your right one work?
Yes.
Fine?
My right
Okay.
eye's way better.
All right.
Yes.
But you're looking over that way. Listen, if
No,
you're,
no,
if you're not going to do
I-
this, that's fine.
I'm sorry. No, I'm 100% trying my
Okay.
best. But what I'm trying to tell you, I could try way better with my right eye.
Okay.
My left eye is really
But when
bad.
I'm going over here, you're looking for a second, then I'm coming back.
Okay, yes. I'm trying my best. I promise.
Now you're not looking at all.
I definitely saw it was one. I promise you. I see it's one finger.
Are you gonna do it or not? Because I'm not gonna play games. I've been doing this job for a long time. Okay. Listen to me.
Do you not understand how it's serious?
Listen to me. Be a grown adult.
100%. Yes. I'm sorry.
Either tell me I don't want to do it and not do it, or tell me you're going to do it and you're gonna follow it.
I'm trying my best. I understand.
But I
how
just
serious
went.
the
Listen, I'm not going to argue
situation
with
is.
you. I went to your right side. You didn't follow it at all. That if you have a lazy eye in your left eye, people with lazy eyes can still follow things, not look straight at me. Okay, so I'm not going to play games with you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So either tell me now you're going to do it, or you're not going to do it. Are you going to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look over here. You just look.
Yes, I see. Over there.
Continue to look at it.
Okay.
All right, do you have any problems with your knees, ankle, or back that prevent you from walking?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, you see this line here? Right there. I want you to stand on that line with your left foot. All right, I want you to put your right foot in front, heel to toe.
Yes, sir.
Touching.
Walking
Go ahead.
the line?
No, wait till I tell you to move.
Yes. I'm good.
Left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel to toe, just like that. Arms down to your sides. I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to move. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to demonstrate exactly what I want you to do, okay? So I am like you are, left foot on the line, right foot in front, arms down to my sides, okay? I want you to take 9 heel toe steps out, leave your lead foot, make a series of small turns, 9 heel toe steps back, counting out loud,
What
just
do you mean
like
small
this.
turns? Just straight.
I'm going to
I'm
demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Get back in that position. All right? So I am like you are. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. I did 3. I want you to do 9. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
On your 9th step, I want you to leave your lead foot just like this. Take a series of small turns just like this, going back the other way, okay? So just like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, I did 3. I want you to do 9, okay?
Yes, sir.
I want you to count each step out loud. If you step off the line, step back on it. Don't stop what you have started. You can put your glasses back on if you need those to see.
I think I'm good, right?
Check, okay. All right, get back in that position.
One second, I'm gonna clear them
Oh,
off. They're a little
that's fine.
foggy right
That's
now.
fine.
Just to be able to see.
Okay, back in that position I told you. Left foot on the line, right foot in front.
Yes, sir.
Heel to toe, arms down to your sides. All right, so do you remember everything I told you?
9 steps.
Okay.
Hold on. Can I be honest with you real quick?
No, go ahead.
No, like, can I take this off? I'm gonna show you. I'm embarrassed with being short, so I have some heel stuff.
Okay, do you want to do it barefoot?
No, I just
do it
want
barefoot.
to take these, if that's what makes it hard. Is
Okay. You want to take those out? Fine.
because I'm
Okay.
embarrassed. I'm embarrassed with being as short as I am, so that's why I wear these.
Okay.
So I'd rather take these out.
Well, here, let's put them up in my car so they don't fall off.
That's us.
If we were going to go through all this, I would have just had you do it barefoot. Go ahead and take that other side out.
It's a little frigid out here.
Okay. Alright, take that out and go ahead and put it on the hood. Go ahead and put it on the hood.
This one.
Okay. Alright. Let's try this again, okay? You're up on the line for me. Left foot in front, right foot in front, heel to toe. Just like this. Yep. Alright, 9 heel toe steps out. Kind of loud.
5. 9.
Okay. How'd I tell you to turn?
This way to the wall, right?
Nope, back the other way.
Okay.
And
All the way back?
Yep. Count them out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Okay. Alright. Stand right where my light beam is for me. See it? Alright, turn around, face me. Put your feet together just like this. Alright, arms out of your sides. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate exactly what I want you to do, okay?
Yes, sir.
Either foot you prefer, I want you to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. I want you to be parallel with the ground. I want you to look down at your toe and count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it for you so you can see, okay? Alright, so just like this, approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel with, look down at your toe and count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Until you stop? Okay.
Until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028.
Okay, you can put your foot down. Did you go to high school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know your alphabet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not going to make you say it backwards, anything crazy like that, okay? All I want you to do is recite your alphabet without singing it from the letter D to the letter Q.
Okay. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, W, R, S, T, W.
You want to try again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead again.
So it
D to Q.
is D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, Q, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor, just sit up on my hood right here. All right. All right, sir, this is what's called a preliminary breath test, okay? What I want you to do is wrap your lips around the edge like that, and I want you to blow like you're blowing up a balloon. Do you understand that? Okay. All right. Go ahead and blow till I tell you to stop. Okay. All right, so how do you know her? Who's that? A friend or? Okay, and you guys were heading back where?
Back to her house.
Her house? Okay, okay.
Yeah, we took a party bus down to Cleveland.
Okay.
I was driving her to yes.
Okay. Were you planning on staying there? Were you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So the party bus left us, so I didn't have a choice of that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Do you know what the legal limit is?
No, sir.
Okay. It's .080. Okay. Do you know where you just blew into that?
No, sir.
.300. Do you realize how high that is?
A lot over the limit. Yes, sir.
Very a lot.
Yes, sir. any chance I could just get, like, is there any, like...
Listen to me. There's no chance on anything. Turn around for me. Turn around. Don't make this hard. Turn around.
I'm not
Just do what I'm telling you to do. Turn around.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together. Palms together. Put your palms. There you go. Did you fall down or something? Well, your hands all skinned up. Just stay in that position. Alright, stay right there. Don't move. I gotta get gloves because you got open sores all over your hands, okay? Did you fall down?
It's against the wall.
Okay. Bring your hands back towards me. Alright, I'll explain everything to you, okay? Alright, you're under arrest for operating vehicle under the influence. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before asking any questions. I have a lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you through the court. Before asking any questions, you have the right to talk to that lawyer and to stop answering questions at any time. Do you understand that? Okay. Alright, so what's your question? I can talk to you.
I have no questions.
No questions? Okay. It's not open, is it?
No, sir.
Do you have anything on you that I need to know about? Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No chance.
Okay. You know her real well, or you just meet her?
I know from high school.
Okay. Alright, kick your feet out for me. Let me get around you. I don't want you to hit your head. So walk this way. Walk this way. Take a seat. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on you, okay? Slide towards me, towards the door. This way.
I see it.
Slide. There you go. Once I seatbelt you in, then you can move around, okay? Just don't take the seatbelt off. All right.
Following the arrest, the suspect was taken to the Lake County Sheriff's Office to provide an evidentiary breath alcohol sample.
Alright, so I'm going to give you this tube. What I want you to do, deep breath away from it, and then when you're ready, wrap your mouth around it and blow it as hard as you can, as long as you can, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Yep. Keep going, 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 keep going. Go ahead, twist that off for me.
The results of the evidentiary breath test yielded .200 grams ethanol per 210 liters of breath. 2 days later, the suspect, Clayton, was charged with driving in marked lanes and 2 counts of operating vehicle under the influence of alcohol, or OVI. On January 31st, 2023, 30 days after the arrest, the defendant pleaded guilty to 1 count of OVI with the remaining charges dismissed. Including a $650 fine, he was ordered to pay a total of $971. This amount has been paid in full. Clayton was further sentenced to 180 days in jail with 177 days suspended, 6 months of probation, a license suspension of 6 months, ordered to attend a driver intervention program for 3 days jail credit, submit to a drug and alcohol evaluation, and ordered to install Uber or Lyft on his phone.